I just basically want to give you guys another inspiration this morning on what you can actually work on today. So this is just a neumorphic login and then log and sign up script. As you can actually see, you can switch between the tabs. This is the login tab, and you see that we can just basically enter a username right here, and we can just go ahead and also enter the password maybe down here. All right, so we can enter the password right here. And you can also switch to the sign up tab. So if I hit on the sign up, it's going to switch me to the sign up tab right here. And we can enter the username, the email, and then the password right here and hit on sign up, right? So we do also have a login drop down here. If you don't want to switch to the tab, you can hit on here and then it's going to switch you between the two right there. And this is just a neumorphic login design. It's an inspiration. I'm just giving you that as an inspiration. You can just carve out the time to create something of this nature if you like it. And I even took this further to another level. So this color you're seeing right here, we can just toggle the color from what it is right now to something like a dark theme. So I do have this toggle up here that I can use to just change the color. So if I hit on here, you see that we do have the whole color changed to black. All right. If you toggle on that again, it comes back to the color, this gray color that you're basically seeing right here. So the reason that I'm just showing you this is just to give you the inspiration of what you can build. So this was built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's why I keep just from time to time I used to like print, I kind of record inspirational videos like this that can just give you a clear clue of what you can actually achieve with the little skill you've already got. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are really powerful. You see, this is not a show off. I just want to spark up that particular inspirational part of you, so you can just sit down and then have a clear of what you can actually achieve with just the few skills you already got. All right, I'm not trying to show off or just trying to claim that I'm the best designer or the best software developer in the world. I'm just basically trying to inspire you, just to spark up that part of you to begin to build great things. All right, so that's just what it is. I'm going to see you in the next post that I'm going to make. So see you next time.